want to look at creating drop stitches or double length stitches deliberately in this video. Normally, when you go to knit a stitch, you wrap it once around like this. To create double length stitches or drop stitches, what you're going to do is wrap the yarn twice and pull those double wraps through your needle, just like so. So it looks like you've got twice as many stitches on the needle, but obviously you don't. So if you're trying to count the stitches, this is probably not the row to do it because it would get quite confusing. On to the last one. Then when you come back in the next row, you're going to drop one of those loops off and it will create an extra long stitches. So we're going to go knit the stitch, and as you take it off, you're just going to pull that extra stitch off. So we're going to knit the stitch and that extra loop is going to pop off. And as you work your way across it, popping each of those off, what you will see is you're creating double length stitches. Just like that, see? You stretch it out, you get this lovely elongated stitch that's very simple to create, but very effective. You can vary the effect by, instead of doing one loop, move from double loop like this to 3 loops to 4 loops and drop back down again, and that can create waves in your knitting of those double loops. But that is just a simple one where you're just wrapping it twice.